Small but mighty. That's exactly how you could describe this motherboard. If you're looking for a compact system that still offers everything you'd expect from a modern gaming or work PC, then stick around. This board is built in the Mini ITX format, meaning it's tiny and perfect for compact systems. But don't be fooled by the size. There's more power here than you'd expect at first glance. Let's start with processor support. You can use almost any modern Ryzen processor here, starting with the 3000 series up to the popular Ryzen 5000 models. That means you're well equipped for both gaming and demanding tasks like video editing or 3D rendering. For memory, you get 2 slots that hold up to 64 gigabytes. That may sound small compared to large ATX boards, but for a Mini ITX system, it's more than enough, especially since you can install ultra-fast memory that supports high clock speeds through XMP profiles. Now let's move on to storage. The 2 M2 slots are especially handy. One is connected directly to the CPU with PCIe 4.0 and delivers blazing fast speeds for modern SSDs. The second is connected to the chipset and offers PCIe 3.0. In addition, you also get 4 SATA ports for traditional drives. And to keep everything running reliably, you need solid power delivery. That's exactly what this board provides with its 8-phase solution, ensuring stable performance even when you're running a powerful CPU. Cooling is also well thought out. Massive heat sinks, a heat pipe, and a backplate keep temperatures low even when your system is working hard. Now let's look at the connectivity. For your graphics card, there's a full PCIe 4.0 slot. On the I/O panel, you'll find modern ports like USB 3.2 Gen 2, including Type-C, 2 HDMI outputs, and even a display port, so if you want to use integrated graphics, you're fully covered. A big highlight is the network connection. With 2.5 gigabit LAN, you'll have lightning fast wired speeds. If you prefer wireless, you get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 built right in, saving you from needing extra adapters and making things much more convenient. The sound hasn't been overlooked either. A high-quality audio chip ensures that your headphones or speakers deliver clear, noise-free sound. That's a real plus for gamers and music lovers alike. And of course, looks matter too. With RGB Fusion, you can customize your lighting and connect other components through the available headers. That way, even in a small case, you can create the perfect atmosphere. All in all, this board is a well-rounded package for anyone looking to build a strong, compact system. If you're curious to check out this board in more detail, make sure to look at the links in the video description. So, what are this board's strengths and weaknesses? Pros: compact format with high-quality features, strong power delivery, and excellent cooling. Modern ports including PCIe 4.0 and USB-C. Built-in Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, and 2.5 gigabit LAN. Excellent audio chip. Cons: only 2 RAM slots, so expansion is limited. Limited space for large coolers or extra cards. Slightly more expensive than basic B550 boards. If you want to build a compact system that doesn't compromise on performance or features, this board is definitely worth a look. It combines modern technology with smart design and gives you everything you need for gaming and productivity. Check out the deals in the video description below if you want to learn more. And if you liked the video, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.